Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock SIP in Zerodha. First, understand that a stock SIP, or systematic investment plan, helps you invest regularly in specific stocks, averaging out your purchase price over time. To begin, log in to your Zerodha Kite account. Once logged in, locate the Orders section, which is where you will initiate the process for setting up your stock SIP. Next, you'll need to select the stocks for your SIP. Use the search bar to find the desired company. After selecting your stock, decide on the investment frequency. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly installments, depending on your strategy. Then, specify either the number of shares you want to buy each time or the fixed amount you wish to invest per installment. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your stock SIP. Double-check the selected stock, the investment frequency, and the quantity or amount per installment to ensure accuracy. It's crucial to make sure your Zerodha trading account has enough funds to cover the first SIP installment. Once everything looks correct, confirm the SIP to activate your automated stock investment plan. After setting up, you can easily monitor your active stock SIPs and track their performance directly within your Zerodha account. The platform provides tools to help you manage your investments effectively. Remember, you have the flexibility to modify or even cancel your stock SIP at any point if your financial goals or market outlook changes. Also, for great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.